We, the dedicated and hard-working members of Boeing, have created a team of engineers, mathematicians, and physicists who want to make a change in your life. With years of experience in avionics and aerospace engineering, we have finally created an affordable and practical flying car. Presenting you Kia Max.
We have been working on this for the past 2 years. We have put countless hours of overtime into this. I mean, we made this thing nearly perfect. Look at this. It is so straight. To make this affordable for every customer, we have used the recyclable material. Look at this perfect wing. We have made this out of composite, which means this is lighter, this will fly longer, and will last longer.
And now we are going to watch our first test flight. The video is fully edited. There you go.
Initiating sequence.
The starting price for the brand new 2006 Kia Max is $82,999. We are not responsible in case of fire, electrical issues, flooding, engine combustion, structural failure, brake fluid leak, cylinder misfire, propulsion system collapsation, transmission disintegration. Product should use in a climate between 16 and 47 degrees Fahrenheit and a max humidity of 75%. Use of the product outside these constraints has a high probability of causing fuel combustion and electrical circuit failure, which may result in injury or death. Buy now at kiamax.com.